ene adofonom too much GH esu enie adofo akabasonko enko efama obibia mejidi ye se ye hweye ewo coronavirus won sensem ya no mamunim se ewo se obia ebo ne ho ebanyare no enko ye lockdown we free so na no enchese betimi e de akoniaba se de ye pe ebia ntimo mayembo ye homoden se nia ewo se ye bia no ye ede ebo ye ho eban na ene de yi abaye bi ababa bekasa ede afa ensim bia ekoso ehun na ze de na watwi mu sister fia wa hu na manne wonu akwakope ne wazo obenu ne ho se o release WMT ede eba Ghana ha se wo benu ne ho papa because anyway nkrofo a etwa abono wo mo ma hye ne kran wo mo ma ye nu wo mo je se obia ekwan bi obia fa so desi no bia no obia aye ne de na ene de abaye bi wo no susu Ghana fo esusu se na sister fia ebo ne din ewo ne nyum WMT mu no waba aba bekasa ede afa ehumoma yembura ensem no emu Queen of Music. I said your mom when you are Queen of Music. Then I just say when the she wants them and I can abayana babonting aba bekasa ede afa sister fia nyuma wode eba ye no when I said the mom when you WMT no sister fia ebobo anyom no caption bi ana say side bi eba bontia na wo kire mu se me de me boss and remio me de me independent no ho kro ne ba wo keka ye nsensem bi ewo enwum no emu na no na chese Ghana fo etage enu ede ema wendi she se wendi she mom na sister fia eka no ho asem all because of self abaya no ohun ne say ye bullet na den wone no ekoba bia ebenti ababia na bullet dwamu nkakra wone no fasam light one bo mo de popo wo manu ene se omonam na ya de sanom kokosha bia den ya nipa untimi mfa fish enkomo okra se won we mani nyeyi nte ye dia bibi betimi apatre nti apatre na ye de akwa akoshe na nyamu ne to aso saa enti wode ekokowura ne desongu mu keka saa ensewe na Ghana for the sister fia na de won show ne wa asem wana ana abaya no wabeka azenze we nyina ye ene wo mu twabo ne ye pa epiem nsusu no okansem bi se wono de wo ye Queen Solomon samote ewo ni nyunimu a wakase wono do ye Queen Solomon na chese wono Queen de ema enwom a oto ana se ema nyunkuo no wono Queen de man na moamunim so sem when the shame a free da wo ba wo meyi mo no started se wo to enwom na yi de bia wo so wo ye Queen Queen de bia wono de oyelse Queen of Ghana Music de bia Queen of Ghana Music me hashtag Queen Shay wone nyom na Twitter page na bibia enti abaya no so sister fian so de anyom ba ya wono so etage ne ho as Queen Solomon na wosake kan keka say obi ne boss odane ho nkone ba no na chese wo hu ni say wendi hye hu asem na woka na da yesterday bidie wo bebebe keka na adwen de kire sister fia ensa no ne twen so say wendi hye wono so baba ba kire na adwen na so ne dey wode ne nsem ababa betu edwa na ne nsem a wode etu edwa no wode ekọ ne Instagram handle na wodi ni mfonyi kwoto ho wodi ni mfonyi etu ho ewie no caption ewo asie ese Queen of Music Queen Shay #ShayGang and no one can take that from me we any nsem wodi etu ho no na chese wono de wo pe opa kofa Queen to ho so wono any the first person that will pronounce the word Queen edito no krampo no beka krampo wona na ko Queen ho na wo sister fia na wo betimi ababeje Queen afri nsem emra beka de nwom ba ya na chese Queen eka hu wo hu ni wo so ye Ghana Queen Music Queen no krampo no when the she ba bonten ebe me man ne tiase ebe kanya nsam kire no say and wono de Ghana wo bi antimi na mpre ahenche no ho because emema fa no Shatawale age a emma fa no wono so waje e de atena so enti no krampo no wanje mu amfa ma beka na wu Sitefia e no beje ma mo enti wono so ababonten ababeka na adwen e de akire no na wo twiro saa ensem wei ewie ye no na Ghana fo bi no mo so ebebe chira wo madwen ede efa ehun na eno na eyeye nua akoto ede wode eba ye o say this lockdown there eden sempa na abo people are doing so many things here I don't know but when they say don't mind them no one can bring you now no one can bring your no one can take your title you are the queen and you will always be the queen #Queen Shay #Shay Gang so no Michael Ogwende wade eba was a Ghana #1 queen who says he is the queen. No one can take that from you when they say so. Please don't listen to what they are saying. Don't wade eba or say this is the best way to answer a fool. That's all. Queen of Ghana music. One also I don't know who say a kwa we so pan na just say anu year when the shape buy so one mama ye gidi am a to atwede am sister fiedin anka ending attempt anya de baby no do beto honum say obi antimi nje title Queen of Ghana music Queen Shay na what try ye add to her no way the way I would be answer sebi chimifo we anyone so ne dia what they buy James official and so dia what they ever or say when they say don't mind anyone I beat this girl I can see that she's ready to start a beef with you people and you guys should be very vigilant because maybe you might say something that might tarnish your image. Don't listen to what he is going to say. Let her release even 1,000 songs. Decent people, no one is going to respond to it because we've seen that is her attitude now. So dear and when they say yes Sitefia, yes to anybody as they say wo remu as they say no person wo ra this side. What they say for etwitwa nkrofo 19 hye nkrofo ahoroba nkrofo ebufu enti wo ma hunu ne saa biaye no na wo so wo pese wo gina ne de ene wo mo nso so no wo mo emfi no ebiem enti ma wandi hye krampo wo mfi no ye nua abi so ade wode eba ne din ene real time or say Queen of Ghana music Queen Shay. Don't listen to what people are going to say. Hey, this WMT song, I don't see any sense in it. She was just paid, as Ekweapin Polo said. So don't worry, cry. So edia wade eba no. Yemia raptor, and so edia wade eba or say, Sitefia, why are you doing all this? Why are you throwing shot to Sister Debbie when they share a fear or door and so on? What do you want from them? This your WMT song, Krana. I don't know why you are doing all this, but Wendy, it's good that you answered her in that way and manner. It's simple. She is going to think about it. This is a sense talk. One also so idea. No. Yenya being so edo day ever anything and come was saying, don't listen to anyone who give a damn ears to whatever people are going to say because you know that when you are going up, people always want you to come down. So give a damn ears to whatever will comes your way because they always want to use people who are high to always trend. That's why she is doing that because people doesn't know him more often. Because if you mention Wendy Shay, people know you. Sitefia is not common. That's the reason why she's doing all this song just to trend. So don't listen to whatever she's going to say. You retaliating back is like you helping her to hype herself. Also so idea and also amaya a woman that be a be a jinobi console. Wo kwasuna na e obi ya na ye twen wo esan wo furu na ye twen wo san enti no emma eye Wendy Shay ana wo bia emfi eye Sitefia because o mai mu obo Wendy Shay obo Sister Debbie obi obia enim besta afia no enye obia ene hyeda enim no yie pansa enti wo pe kwan a wo de be hype ne ho wo pe kwan a wo no so obetimi ede a trend e wo omai mu na wo no so timi agi edi se de afoforo agi edi no enu a enti ena sese wo ye na adwen se wo de this song ene akuti anwom ena ebeba enti se mo so mo ye ma adwen se mo oboa no na wo ka no ma be reply na wo ka no ma be reply na je se mo ma na kwanya no ama wo no so agi ni dia fe be kom sister fia hwan o enye do ni wa di share nya ntokwa no sister fia enti sese no munja no wo de this song ba wo de akuti anwom ba mo ma ne mbo engu mama me meka ehwe emfo ho ne se de etehe wo mmene bibia wo mmene abufo na eyi a wo mmene ehwe utwa atetirema awi a wo mmene nam bia enti wo mmene abufo a wo mmene ehwe we ene eye afutuo nsem a eye celebrities no ye nyanu mede ma celebrities a wo mu ehu ne se no big ene enyoma nkrofo efa so e de trend efa wo mu hu enu won so wo fie wajenche efa ensem yi hu ene sen anu ya wani she edema eye sister fia e won de song mu eye ne kwan so a eno no ana sen ka wo san ko ye bibi hard bia be ma sister fia hu se won di she no no so nani eden ana se o teki ni kuno eye okay wajenche bia no fa etu eja ewo maye na emrepa no ye bekenkan ede amamo munu aba ekwesi kapa ena minimu edi ehia dasene ye besan ehia makramo